Born from the remnants of dead stars, Earth is an enigma that continues to fascinate us. In the vast cosmic arena, our home planet presents a unique tale of formation and evolution that is both captivating and humbling. Our story begins nearly 4.5 billion years ago in a universe filled with dust and gas left behind by dead stars. This celestial debris, a mixture of elements forged in the heart of these expired stars, began to coalesce under the influence of gravity. And so our Earth began to take shape in the form of a swirling molten mass, spinning in the cold void of space. As the newborn Earth continued to grow, it attracted more and more of the surrounding matter, a process we call accretion. This constant bombardment of space debris added not only to Earth's mass but also to its heat, leading to the formation of distinct layers. These layers would eventually become Earth's core, mantle, and crust. But the birth of Earth was not a peaceful event. In fact, it was marked by a cataclysmic collision. Imagine a Mars-sized object hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds, slamming into the young Earth with such force that it sent a shower of debris into space. This debris, drawn together by gravity, eventually coalesced to form our moon, forever tied to Earth by an invisible gravitational tether. This violent collision was more than just an event in Earth's formation, it was a defining moment. The energy released reshaped the Earth, setting it on its unique path of evolution. It was this celestial cataclysm that laid the groundwork for Earth's dynamic geology, its magnetic field, and even the conditions necessary for life. This violent collision gave birth to our moon and set the stage for the next chapter in Earth's story. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our planet, we come to appreciate the remarkable series of events that have made Earth the world we know today. A world of incredible complexity, beauty, and resilience. A world that, despite its cosmic origins, feels uniquely our own. Beneath our feet lies a world unseen, a molten core surrounded by the mantle and the crust. Picture this. At the very heart of our planet, over 3,000 kilometers beneath us, sits the Earth's core. This fiery sphere, split into an inner and outer core, is a swirling mass of iron and nickel, reaching scorching temperatures as high as the surface of the sun. Now, if we journey outwards, we encounter the mantle, a thick layer of semi-solid rock that makes up a whopping 84% of Earth's total volume. This isn't a static layer, oh no, it's alive and churning, with heat from the core causing convection currents that keep the mantle in constant slow motion. Finally, the layer we're most familiar with, the crust. This thin, brittle outer skin where we live, work, and play is as delicate as the shell of an egg. It's divided into enormous slabs known as tectonic plates, which float atop the semi-fluid mantle. Now, this is where things get truly fascinating. These tectonic plates, they're not stationary. They're constantly shifting in a slow, eternal dance powered by the Earth's internal heat. And as they move, they interact, colliding, pulling apart, grinding past each other. These interactions are the architects of our world's geography, forming towering mountain ranges, deep ocean trenches, and violent volcanoes. Imagine the Himalayas, the highest peaks on Earth. They were born from the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates, and the Pacific Ring of Fire, home to 75% of the world's volcanoes. It's a direct result of numerous plate boundaries in the region. These tectonic movements also trigger earthquakes, a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. While they can be destructive, they are a testament to the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our planet. It's a natural process, an integral part of how our world works, shapes, and evolves. So the next time you feel the firm ground beneath your feet, remember the dynamic world that lies beneath. The Earth is not a solid, unchanging sphere. It's a living, breathing entity, constantly reshaping and reinventing itself. These tectonic plates, forever in motion, craft the continents and oceans we know today. The Earth, it seems, has a heartbeat of its own. Above us, an invisible shield of gas envelops the Earth, protecting life as we know it. This breathtaking shield, our atmosphere, is our planet's first line of defense. But what is it really? Let's dive in. Imagine a thin veil stretching all around us, reaching out into the vastness of space. This is the Earth's atmosphere, a complex cocktail of gases, primarily nitrogen and oxygen, with a dash of argon and carbon dioxide. It's not just an empty space above us. It's a bustling highway for weather patterns, a canvas for the aurora's dance, and a shield against the deadly vacuum of space. Now, nestled within this atmospheric blanket lies a layer of utmost importance, the ozone layer. This thin layer of ozone gas is the Earth's sunscreen, absorbing the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Without it, these rays could cause grave damage to all life forms, especially to our skin and eyes. But the atmosphere's role doesn't stop at protection. It's also Earth's thermostat, regulating our planet's temperature. It traps just the right amount of the sun's heat, preventing it from escaping back into space, creating a hospitable environment for life to thrive. So, as we go about our daily lives, let's not forget the silent guardian hovering above us. This delicate layer of gas not only protects us from the sun's harmful rays, but also provides the air we breathe. It's time we show it the respect it deserves. In the grand timeline of Earth, humans are but a fleeting moment. The Earth has been around for about 4.5 billion years. Dinosaurs roamed the planet for over 160 million years. However, modern humans, we've only been here for roughly 200,000 years. That's less than 0.5% of Earth's entire history. Now, let's consider how we've interacted with our home in this relatively short time. From the moment we discovered fire, invented the wheel and began to build civilizations, we've been altering the planet in significant ways. We've transformed vast forests into cities, redirected rivers to irrigate our crops, and mined mountains for their precious metals. But our impact goes beyond physical changes. Our actions have also upset the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. We've pumped so much carbon dioxide into the atmosphere that we've triggered a global climate crisis. We've hunted many species to the brink of extinction and filled the oceans with plastic. Yet despite our brief and tumultuous tenure, we've also achieved remarkable things. We've explored the furthest reaches of our solar system, unlocked the secrets of the atom, and even begun to decode the mysteries of life itself. Our existence, though brief, has forever changed the face of Earth. It is our responsibility to preserve this unique and precious home for future generations.